Today I am going to show you how to earn cool cash online that requires no skills or experience through Fiverr. I will be walking you through best 5 Fiverr gigs that you can instantly publish and start making money as a beginner. Before I continue, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and comment on the comment section about the video, and don't forget to click on the notification button, so you will be alerted when we. Number 1. Logo animation. You can find a lot of people providing this services on Fiverr. You can see here that people are creating gigs on how to create logo for customers just for as high as $15 and above. It is very simple and easy to do. You don't need any graphic design experience. All you just need to do is go to https://elements.env8o.com. You can have free access to video templates, logo templates, graphic templates for websites. All you just need to do is to go to video templates and go to the logo which they have for free and have access to it. Click on the template to edit it. There is an instruction that goes with it on how to do it. It is extremely beginners friendly. You can download it after the edit. Number 2. Providing SEO in-depth report. This is by providing in-depth analysis on any website on Fiverr. You will find a lot of people providing SEO services or some offering SEO report about a website to show them what is wrong on their website and help them rank on search engines. If you do not know this service, you don't have to worry. All you just need is to go to https://neilpatel.com and enter the website you want to audit on the search column. When you have typed the website, then click on search and it begins. It usually takes an average of 10 minutes to complete the audit. After the audit is complete, you download the report to give to the client. A very simple and easy task to do. Number 3. Business names, taglines, and slogans. A lot of small and new companies want to impress and win the heart of their customers through their business names and taglines. You can provide 10 catchy business names, brand names, product names, and catchphrases. By doing so, you are helping them to name their products, naming their company and their catchphrase. This will help a lot for those who are great at the content creator. You don't need skills or experience to do this. All you just need is to help the client coin out their business name with catchphrase suitable with their product and services. Number 4. Designing social media ads. You don't need to fret about this. I am going to guide you on a simple method in creating social media ads for your customers. It is free for you to create ads. A lot of people are requesting this and people are getting it done starting from $10 per gig. This can be done for free by visiting the site named www.canva.com. It is a free graphic design website with a different ton of templates on it that we can use. You can start by clicking on marketing and you find different social media templates on it such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and others. Number 5. Removing background images. Removing background pictures is another way of making money from Fiverr. This requires no skills at all. You just need the tool that will help you do it for free, since a lot of people are requesting the services for their YouTube channel. A lot of people are ordering for the service starting from $5. All you need to do is go to www.remove.bg. The platform is absolutely for free. Just upload your image, and click on remove background and then download the image with the background removed. Thank you for watching this video. For more upcoming videos on how to make money online, all you need to do is hit the subscribe button and notification button. See you on my next video.